What is Web 3.0 and what is Solidity? Learning Web 3.0 and blockchain improvement today resembles purchasing a Bitcoin at $10 yesterday. Entering the blockchain business, where the typical software engineer is paid around $140,000 a year, is presumably the best speculation you can make as a developer. Tragically, the web has a shortage of good assets, and finding a decent blockchain improvement guide could quickly become monotonous. I've set aside some margin to accumulate the best internet-based recordings, courses, and sites, and set up the best assets to learn Web 3.0 and blockchain improvement. From complete zero programming information to Solidity and blockchain master, that is the reason we'll begin with the essentials of computer science. 1. Prior to Web 3.0 and blockchain, fundamentals of CS. Blockchain advancement, it's an extreme subject, I won't lie. Prior to digging further into hubs and blocks and begin your guide. When you'll have some CS understanding, now is the ideal time to figure out how the blockchain functions, why it's valuable, and its constraints. 2. Get familiar with the fundamentals of blockchain. As a Web 3.0 engineer, you really want to comprehend what the blockchain is, the way it works, and why it could disturb the manner in which we trade products and make installments. Blockchain innovation is not anymore related exclusively to crypto coins, however it has turned into a genuinely disseminated distributed computing framework fit for running full backends to drive state-of-the-art decentralized applications, dApps. 3. What is a decentralized application? At the point when you'll have found out about the blockchain, hubs, agreement, and every one of the principal parts of this innovation, you'll begin to ponder. What sort of utilizations might I at any point foster utilizing the blockchain? The applications based on top of blockchain are called decentralized applications, or dApps, and have a standard front-end constructed utilizing JavaScript or systems libraries like React, Vue, Svelte, etc. A Solidity Solana Rust backend, based on top of the blockchain. To grasp how the front end and the back end of a dApp cooperate, imparting and trading information, you really want to learn front-end improvement and the fundamental standards of standard back-end improvement, APIs, and examples. 4. Learn front-end development in 2021. As said, decentralized applications have a standard vanilla JavaScript or JavaScript framework front-end. That is the reason prior to diving into fostering your most memorable dApp, it's critical to gain proficiency with the fundamentals of front-end improvement and how the web functions. Learn HTML, CSS, HTTP, JavaScript, pick a structure and begin building static sites. Some text goes here. 5. Would it be a good idea for me to learn back-end development? Some text goes here. Indeed, and presently. Decentralized applications backends unfathomably contrast from standard applications backends, beginning from the way that blockchain innovation is utilized as the fundamental wellspring of decentralized information capacity, though standard backends normally use databases or object storages. However, most of specialized standards continue as before. Learn backend development in 2021. Comprehend how front-end and backend trade information. Learn Node, Express, DBs, HTTP, how to foster APIs, and begin sending state-of-the-art applications. 6. Realize what is Ethereum and how it works. A Web 3.0 engineer necessities to comprehend how Ethereum functions. Ethereum is programming running on an organization of PCs that guarantees the replication and handling of little projects called smart contracts. 7. Programming on the blockchain, smart contracts. Ethereum and smart contracts are like bread and spread, you really want to comprehend both. A smart contract is programming put away on a blockchain-based stage, that naturally executes an understanding. It is written in Solidity, Rust, or Viper, Solidity yet in Python flavor. 8. Learn Solidity to develop and deploy smart contracts. Obviously, knowing what smart contracts are isn't sufficient. As a Web 3.0 or blockchain developer, you need to know how to compose your own smart contracts. Here's when Solidity comes in help. Robustness is a significant level, contract-situated programming language to compose savvy contracts, permitting developers to compose self-executing code that powers blockchain dApps. Tragically, as we were saying, the web needs great assets to find out about Solidity and blockchain development. 9. Learn Solidity by creating zombies. Turns out probably the best asset to find out about Solidity is a gamified programming course, where you'll figure out how to foster smart contracts while making a zombie production line to begin your global control plan. 10. Interface your dApp frontend, learn Web3.js or Ethers.js. Since it has become so undeniably obvious how to make smart contracts, you want a method for interfacing your frontend with your nearby or far-off Solidity, or comparative, backend, utilizing anything from HTTP to WebSockets. To do so, you can pick between two JavaScript libraries. Greater than Web3.js, greater than Ethers. Conclusions. Learning Web 3.0 and blockchain advancement could sound overwhelming from the outset, yet everybody can make it happen. Advance bit by bit, utilizing beginning from the essentials of computer science, to JavaScript, from strength to state-of-the-art DeFi applications. You will not learn blockchain development in multi-week, yet you can do it in 1 year of full responsibility.